first thing we want to do is we want to come over here to app.ytchannelbootcamp.com. We're going to get started. Put in your email address. We're going to click on the link. Wait, you're going to have to be in the same browser that you're using when you sign up. So I was in Chrome. So I'm going to come over here and open a tab. So here's where you end up in the onboarding tab. So some people might just know they need a channel or they want a channel, have no idea what the channel is going to be about. One of the reasons they hadn't started. We're going to take you through a conversation that helps you figure that out. You have an interest or passion. You already know exactly what you want your channel to be related to. You just need help defining it. You need some clarity on it. There you go. Got a business? You might want to make it about that. Now, a lot of times, you can fit in several categories. The only really big deal is if you have no idea, because then it's like, this is a miracle for you. But anyway, I have a channel. I'm going to go here. Like, as for influencers, if you already have an audience, and it's still going to take you down a logical conclusion, like, audience for what? Who are your people? What do you do? And a lot of times people have an audience, you don't even know really the details about your audience. Who this is going to help you figure it out. I already have a channel. I hadn't decided on a direction. I do have a few videos, but I just wasn't sure what angle I wanted to take. I'm going to let this tell me. So let's go here. This channel is to help truck drivers learn ways to make money off duty, not driving. I want to introduce them to things that are easy to understand, not complicated to do, and can be done from the cab of a truck when off duty. Primary things are AI voice, affiliate marketing, and helping local businesses grow their business using Go High Level and other AI tools and digital assets. This takes a mindset shift as well as being introduced to some of these tools in order for them to make the leap or transition. Let's see what it gives us after this. Let's dig a little deeper. I really like how focused you are on helping truckers make money in the cab. From the cab, simple practical tools, the dial-in strategy that really fits you. I'm curious of how much of this comes from your own experience so far. For example, have you personally made money with AI voice, affiliate marketing, or Go High Level services to help other drivers or local businesses do it? And can you see yourself happily talking about these methods and mindset shifts for every week for the next year? Also, one more thing for the business side. Are you aiming to eventually build a bigger brand that serves truckers nationwide, online, and local to legendary path, or do you mainly want to focus on smaller, tight-knit community of drivers first and grow from there? Let's see. Shall we go for teaching how to, storytelling, faceless content, text-based, deep dives and investigations? Now let's go with storytelling. What is the end goal? Customers in my service area, sell a product, book calls, consultations, get speaking gigs, fill my email list, promote my brand, or promote my business brand. I say promote the retire from trucking concept. We've been in it. Well, let's see what we got. Simple cab-friendly side hustles for drivers who want options. This angle builds a step-by-step education channel that turns truckers into digital earners. Using AI voice work, affiliate marketing, and simple agency-style services they can run from the cab. The video drives viewers into a structured retire from trucking implementation program, courses, group coaching, target via company drivers and owner-operators 28 to 55 who feel the industry tightening and tired of relying solely on miles. Have 200 to 1,000 for educational tools. If they trust it, will save them time and confusion. Content pillars, cab-ready income systems, mindset and identity shift, tool walkthroughs and setup with me, success path and case studies. Truckers to local business heroes, build a remote AI marketing agency from the cab. This angles position drivers as remote growth partners for small local businesses. This is going to be the tough part, deciding, because all of these are relevant. ambitious drivers who like talking to people at shippers, receivers, truck stops along their routes, and who want to turn their trucking relationships into $3,000 improvement. Oh, into monthly retainers for local businesses. They're willing to invest 500 to 3,000 improvement agency in a box. Templates, scripts, automations. If it means they can build. It's a tough choice. I like all of these. Value-driven truckers who crave community, mentorship, and a bigger mission than just miles and paycheck. They're willing to invest in a membership, 29 to 97 a month, live retreats and masterminds. See, everything is relevant, but of course, that's what it's giving you, an option of relevant directions to go. Driver transformation stories, movement and lifestyle content, live trainings and keynotes, recorded workshops, keynote style tasks, Q&A, founders and state captain spotlight. I got something called Truckers Disruptors that does this. Choices. I really want to document the movement. This is history in the making. We're going to do it. I don't have the code written, evidently, where it takes into account if you have a channel name, skip this. Because you might want to do other channels after you get this one going good. Time from trucking movement. Trucker freedom, cab to clicks, the digital trucker movement. Okay, it pretty much have 0 views, you might as well say. Link your channel. And the reason to link your channel is so that you can track milestones and everything. I already did. All right, so now it's going to give me 30 days worth of content. Let's see what it comes up with. And as you can see here, it says applying psychological hooks, creating binge-worthy sequence, generating title variations, setting up your 15-day sprint, but then it's also doing another 15-day set after the sprint. Why most truckers will never retire from the road and how our movement changes that. 3 signs you're a truck driver who's ready for the digital freedom but stuck in the cab. And you see you got 3 options out of the one that's highlighted. The 15-day sprint, how truckers can start a digital income plan in just 2 weeks. Day 3. Case study, how a 14-year driver made his first $500 online in 30 days. That's going to be one of you guys. Or from sleeper berth to side income, real truckers' first digital paycheck. Watch this driver go from 70 hours on the road to his first online sale. I like that. 5 biggest lies truckers are told about staying in the game until retirement. While waiting on your 401k is the riskiest thing. You get the idea. Like all of the titles are killer titles, and you have 30 of them. We get to 30. Let's see if it's still as hot as the first few. You don't have to die in the driver's seat. The invitation to the retire from trucking movement. So as you can see, excellent set of titles. Then from here, you are basically shown that you're going to have the heat to run with and to get the thumbnails, because this takes more AI function usage, burning tokens and everything. But for this 30-day access to use the system, that's going to keep you organized, keep you motivated, keep you away from paralysis analysis, then it's just $19.97. You want 2 channels, it's just $35. And if you want a year of access where you can do a channel a month, it's just $97. Pause you real quick. That's the thing.